Well, FlowFest for me, 2022, obviously we've had a gap where we haven't been in contact with people for quite some time. So a couple of things. First is this is our first remote one. All our previous FlowFests have been in person. So this is remote, this will be different. It'll be interesting to see how that works. I'm hoping next year we'll be able to do more of a hybrid. So we'll have the meeting in person and the other. The hope for me is that we can still connect with people, because the thing that FlowFest is all about as far as I'm concerned is that connection with people that are actually using your software. So it's so easy when you're thinking about product to be living in your ivory tower and just doing what the market thinks you should be doing. And FlowFest is one of those opportunities where someone comes sort of knock on your door and say, hey, come down from that cloudy mountain and come and visit us in the jungle. And you know that fly swat product feature that you gave us? It's not so useful with this mosquito infestation we've had. You know, it's just not scaling. And it's that reality check that comes with that sort of talking with people that are really using your software.
First of all, special is that we can do it after 2 years not having FlowFest. It's a bit special because it's the first time that we have it online, as an online event. I always loved to get in touch with our community, customers, prospects, people using Flowable, looking at Flowable. And this time it will be special because it's online. We never did that before. But I'm super excited that we have so many participants, so many people actually being interested in Flowable and joining us on FlowFest.
I think this year is really special because we have a new format. We have an online conference. In the past we were very happy to host it at our customers. This year we want to have 3 streams, fully virtual. Really looking forward to the customer sessions, but also a lot of technical sessions that we have. So I hope everybody will get something out of the new FlowFest format.
What is special about FlowFest 2022 for me is, first of all, the fact that it is back. It wasn't there for a few years, so we didn't have this natural touch, like this engagement that an event eventually gives you, like especially for a product like our organization, like a Flowable is. And the fact that it is online actually gives us access to so much more. So Flowable enthusiasts all over the world can eventually join in, attend the different sessions. All of it will be recorded, so even afterwards they can all access to what is happening in the Flowable world. So this type of reach of an online event is great, is amazing. The second thing that I think is really special for me, but also special for FlowFest being the first time in this format, is the fact that it's organized in 3 different streams. So we will have the tech, the architect, and the business stream. And for the first time, we'll bring together in the same stage everybody that is a Flowable enthusiast, let it be from the open source world or from the enterprise world of our platform.
Yeah, FlowFest is really a great way to interact with our customers and interested people. So it's really a great way to show what Flowable can do, all the stuff that we have, but also the opportunity for them to interact with us as product people building Flowable, and just to hear their questions, their ideas, the stuff that they are interested in, and that really excites me about FlowFest.
I think it's really great that we're doing this online now, so that the moment that we're live in the air, that the whole globe is basically watching us at the same time, right? Before we're getting together with smaller audiences, I think now there is no excuse anymore not to be here.